Kagaya ng kanilang ipinangako, sina James Reid at Nadine Luce ang guest VJ sa MTV Pinoy for the entire month of July. JD, anong ganap?
Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa library and we just finished shooting for MTV Playlist.
So catch us again on MTV Pinoy for the month of July.
Hindi na may tatago ang sweetness sa isa't isa ni na James at Nadine. At sa kanilang mga bagong look, makikita na ang transformation ng dalawa para sa kanilang characters sa follow-up movie nilang Talk Back and You're Dead.
Hey guys, you're watching MTV Playlist right here at MTV Pinoy, and once again, we're your guest celebrity DJs for this month. I'm DJ James.
And I'm DJ Nadine at dito sa MTV Playlist, we play our top 5 favorite tracks para mas makilala niyo kami.
Kaya tutok lang dahil araw-araw natin sila mapapanood sa iba't ibang shows ng ating favorite music channel, ang MTV Pinoy. Everyone is excited sa nalalapit na concert ng pinakamalaking teen movie ng taon, ang Diary ng Pangit. At para lalo pang matuwa ang mga fans and followers, namigay ng libreng tickets sina James Reid at Nadine Lustre. DNP Concert, anong ganap?
Hi guys, I'm DJ Nadine.
And I'm BJ James.
And we're here to give away free tickets to the Diary ng Pangit concert.
Which is on July 11 at the SM North EDSA Skydome.
Right.
Aliw na aliw sina James at Nadine para mamigay ng libreng tickets para sa nalalapit na Diary ng Pangit concert sa July 11.
O ano ba ang nararamdaman? Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa, pwede ba? Huwag ka nang madrama. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. That is so cute!
Wow!
You're so
Thank you
good.
so much. One more question. This is for the win. When and where is the Diary ng Pangit concert?
July 11 at the SMCP North EDSA Skydome.
Yay!
Yes! She got it! Congratulations! Here you go. 2 free tickets to the Diary ng Pangit concert. I'll see you there.
Iba't ibang gimmick kasi ang mga kinamala sa mga napiling passersby para mapanalunan lang ang pinakamimithing tickets. Maging maganda at pulido ang kanilang ipapamala sa mga manonood ng kanilang concert, tuloy-tuloy pa rin mga bidang bagets sa kanilang rehearsals for Diary ng Pangit, the concert.
We are doing rehearsals for the Diary ng Pangit concert coming up, and ang saya kasi ngayon lang ulit namin nakasama si Andre.
You know, I just miss him so much, and I'm very happy that they're here with me today.
Puspusa na nga ang mga bida ng hit movie ng Diary ng Pangit sa kanilang pag-rehearse para sa kanilang nalalapit na concert.
'Cause I give you all of me.
Soulja Boy, tell him, yeah, you can be my bond.
World someday, got blood on your face. You baked in crap, put it in your banner all over the place.
Close, close.
You love, you love, you love is my drug. You love, you love, you love.
Because of their closeness, hindi maiiwasan ang pagiging playful nila sa isa't isa. Pero sobrang tutok na sila pag-rehearsals na para sa kanilang special concert.
We always dreamed about this better life, this better life.
Yeah, you're fine.
See? I'm very excited for this concert because it's going to be my first concert, and I'm very, very happy I'm going to be doing it with these 3 guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to watch the Diary ng Pangit concert. It's coming soon. If you haven't bought your tickets, buy them now.
It's on July 11 at SM City North EDSA Skydome.
He can't fit the frame. Anyway, ang abangan nyo, syempre, that's Andre Paras, James Reid, nandito si and me, yours truly, Yasi Pesman.
And syempre, Tyro and Yumi and Donalyn Bartolome.
Yeah, see you guys there. Bye!
Sama-sama tayong sumugod sa Diary ng Pangit, the concert on July 11 at the SM City North EDSA Skydome. See you there! And finally, as we near the end of our show, pumili na